Hi guys, Richie here from Promt Parts. If you're in the trade or a DIY maintenance enthusiast, I've got good news for you. Did you know that Promt Parts stocks annual maintenance kits for Suzuki 4-stroke outboards? That's right, we've got you covered, from 9.9 all the way up to 300 horsepower. Take a look at this. It's a service kit for a 150 to 200 horsepower, Suzuki, manufactured after 2016. Let's go have a look and see what's inside the box. So this kit includes a water pump repair kit, complete with an impeller, wear cup, housing O-ring, seal plate and water pump gaskets, 2 gearbox bung washer screws, 4 NGK spark plugs, fuel filter, oil filter, and 6 replacement anodes with the 5 sealing O-rings. Pretty comprehensive kit. Now keep in mind the maintenance kits don't include engine oil or gearbox oil. Don't worry, we've got you covered, and Promt Parts have got a wide range of oils and lubricants to suit your engine. To find your Suzuki service kit, visit promptparts.co.nz/Suzuki service kits, and for all the other marine parts and accessories, from prop to helm, everything in between, Promt Parts has you covered. Head on down to www.promptparts.co.nz to make